So now, as I talk to you, they say that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the man you have here in these pictures, they say he don't finally apologize because of the way when he take court chain inside court the last time we didn't bring him to court. Now, I understand what happened here. Remember that Justice Binta Nyako has been recused from his case previously. I'm talking about the reason why the man blew hot in court that very last time when he was blasting the chief judge there, whom he said that the man don't even know the law. Somehow, the thing can make sense somehow. Because normally, according to the laws and backends, when I don't go through, go see, they talk, say, person where they don't recuse from somebody's case, and the person accepted as well, cannot be pushed to the person once more. The person has been recused and the person stand recused. So the person has no right to continue on that very case. So, and also the hurt when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu blew in court that day was one of the very reasons why they had to remove Binta Nyako after that very hot blast that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave in court. We are going to be looking at that. They say IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu apologizes in court for recent attacks on Justice Nyako and lawyers, or even the outburst. Now let's resume with this very video. Please share this video, make other people say follow you. They see I'm actually they happen. So this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court, and the people who came to stand in solidarity with him as the trial continues. You can see that. All right. So let me give you details of what transpired and how it happened. Let's quickly touch that. They say that the leader of the they say proscribed. Okay, you remember that the Nigerian government proscribed IPOB recently after saying that the court has found the group to be a terrorist group. I can't the one that say, freedom fighting group, when I don't turn into terrorist group. And maybe some of the men cannot talk with him, make the feel they don't take this kind of decision before they go. I know already now. I know fish out. But I know me, I know fish out. Now, they say that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has apologized for his recent outburst on the Federal High Court and Justice Binta Nyako. He also extended his apology to the federal government's lawyer, Chief Awomolo, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria. They say now these people now a drop in apology they give us. Say, may they no verse, may they mahara, may they forget, may they forgive you. Say now because of say he was blowing hot, because of the way they tell they do something, I still make can do the thing. When they see him. Kanu's new counsel, Chief Kanu Agabi, who is also a senior advocate of Nigeria and a former senator, former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, delivered the apology before Justice James Omotosho, the new trial judge. Now, when this news broke, when, what do you call them, AIT, Sahara Reporters published it, and you know the problem we have is that we don't even read. We don't even read details of what we are talking about. You can see, let me show you. This is just the caption here. Just in, IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu apologizes for outburst in court the last time. So now, our people went to these social media platforms and they went there to be insulting them, cursing them, you know, all sorts. All this, I don't talk and before. And even the last video I dropped, somebody don't go there, go write you are a mugu. Because of these things. I say, now, somebody was like, they were waiting to hear when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said it. And they tell them, I say, these things no good does they happen. Not be everything when them publish be lie. You self read. That's why I always take time to read and analyze all these things so that you understand. He did not make the statement. Now, if you listen, you will hear that it is the new senior advocate that he hired that, you know, made the statement to the court. Not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directly. So it was unlike the previous court when he spoke. This time around, he never did. But somebody spoke on his behalf, which is the normal procedure in court. But instead of you people to listen and find out how, you people have started, hey, AIT, una don't collect money from zoo government, una don't collect money from Tinubu, una don't collect money from this, take the right rubbish, na go buy una, this one, that one. It don't make sense at all. Maybe they use common sense, they follow things. Ha! Person, amokwanu woku ya woku. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a miscreant. So you people should not be constituting nonsense there on social media. Abba, as I even they talk and now, they look me bad eye. The people, they know they correct them. They know they correct them. Even when they find that the thing is wrong, they will still tell you say it's right. Neighbor kind of way nsobu. According to the information we have here, Agabi sought permission from the court to convey Kanu's message, stating that he had already consulted the prosecution's lawyer, Justice Omotosho, who granted the request. The judge fixed March 21st for Kanu's trial after reassigning the case file to him. Kanu, extradited from Kenya in June 2021, is expected to take his plea as the case begins afresh, de novo. Justice John Sosho, Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, FSC, notified Kanu's lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, in a letter dated March 4th of the case transfer from Justice Binta Nyako to Justice Omotosho. The reassignment followed Kanu's and his legal team's request for a new judge, citing allegations of bias. On September 24th, 2024, Justice Binta Nyako withdrew from the case and sent the file to the Chief Judge for reassignment, stating that she could not proceed with a trial where the defendant lacked confidence in the court. However, the Chief Judge later returned the case file to her, insisting that a formal application was required before her recusal could be accepted. Kanu and Ejimako maintained on February 10th that Justice Binta Nyako no longer had jurisdiction after stepping down from the case, prompting the judge to adjourn the matter indefinitely sine die. Before Justice Binta Nyako, the case had been handled by Justice Ahmed Mohammed, who has since been elevated to the Court of Appeal, and Justice Sosho before he became the Chief Judge. Now, so this matter now take happen. So those of you wey be so now they wait or they look for video where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu spoke, say, oh, I want to apologize to the people I blasted last time. No, he never spoke. The the senior advocate whom he hired, Justice, that's not Justice, Barrister, because that one is senior advocate. San Kanu Agabi is the one who made the statement. Meanwhile, there was a video where the lawyers, the brothers and the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was denied access to the court. I think that's the video here.
This is not a Russian army. I think it's the other side. Can you imagine? Mandela. I got he was supposed to go through here. Okay.
The person is just rotating the camera. Probably just holding it by hand there. Doesn't want to be noticed that he was recording.
came late.
I saw him when I went. They won't even let us see him. He was supposed to come through here. We came here, they moved him through the other side.
They moved him to here.
He was supposed to come through here and I leave the car through here. So when the judge left, we were supposed to enter, they wouldn't let us enter. Now he was supposed to come out through here. Because we rushed here, they had to take another way. I think he has left now, we didn't even see him. He has left. Okay, is it the kind of
When I don't stand the radio Nigerian regime.
Okay, good to see you.
I like that Jojo. He read everything from you to say. And when he was
Were you
talking,
inside?
I was inside. When he was talking, he said he discovered that the Kanu was 40 when he was arrested.
Okay, MK, let's go outside and
10 years. Maybe that is not 50 something. Say no. Yeah. Yes, something was wrong.
MK.
All right, oh, now don't hear within that man talk for small there. And I saw the matter take happen inside court. Now be that one who make una let me know with you now the reason follow the matter. So those of una, my message goes to all those people will be safe for now. Just see headline. Because una no see video of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talking when he was saying this, una go just conclude saying a lie. Una take am easy, una know they spoil something. You understand? As we take see matter so now, so we take the talk and make you don't forget to share, make other people say follow you. Don't forget to use tap send in case you want Manda money go Nigeria. With my promo code, you go get additional money on top of the money that you are already having. You they see and so your money they go top and money and their rate is also very high. Now this app is available on App Store and Google Play Store. If now your phone Android or normal iPhone, they go see it everywhere now. Come on guys, so don't miss out on their promo with my promo code. You they see and so so make us still not forget to drop this herbal solution contact here for those people who really need them. Their medicine it they work. So anything will be the issue there, their phone number there for screen there. Or if you just write in the comment section, we'll give you their contact. Look at their contact up there. You can chat them on WhatsApp self as well. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.